In this video, we will be going over some of the new features for the new MeasureSquare Mobile update. You can now recess an elevation. This feature allows you to create a sunken or den-like area. The punch-out tool allows you to punch out/embed a floating room in a hallway or big area. To access this tool, select the eye icon, resize, and then punch out. You now have the ability to move and delete holes. You can access this tool by selecting the eye icon, resize, and then select between insert, move, or delete. The divider tool can now be found under the resize menu, tools icon, or the quick access bar. You can also draw in one room, hit close, and then draw in another room without exiting the tool like in previous versions. Updates to the Draw Wall tool mean that you can move your internal walls or delete them by using the Move or Delete Hole feature. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for future tutorials and release information for MeasureSquare Mobile.